Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So for today's video, I'm doing actually something really fun that I actually want to order for a very long time. I've always seen these, but I just never ordered one, which is the FabFitFun box. Before we continue on into this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and comment, and let's get into it. So I'm just going to get a couple of details up here. I believe I ordered this on the 15th of April, and I received it on the 30th of April. They shipped it 2 days later, so it was pretty quick for them to get the box together, but I'm also late to ordering the spring edition, so that's probably why it was so fast, because I know normally it can be a little bit slower if everyone's putting the order in all at once, especially for the seasonal members. I'm currently only I'm a seasonal member. Annual members are the ones that have first access, and they automatically have their boxes ready to go, and they can pick their items ahead of time and stuff too. And if you're wondering, this dress is from Shein, and it is actually a video I just filmed the other day, so feel free to check out that video as well. Pretty easy to order this box. I think that the ordering was so easy. You go on, you customize what items they have available for customization, because they're probably already pre-filled per season, and then you customize a couple items. I did not add any add-ons, so those are the additional items you can add on for a fee, but usually it's a discounted price for that item. I did not add on anything this time, but maybe in future, if I think this is worth it and order again, I think I'll do that. So I did want to mention about the price about this whole thing. So my order, when I first signed up, the seasonal box is $49.99. To ship it to Canada, it cost you $8, and then I also had a discount of $10, so my total order US after GST and taxes came to $55.19 US. I was charged $79.96. So this cost me $80 compared to the $50 they make it seem. But again, I live in Canada, so I do have to pay the exchange rate because they don't have a set rate for Canadian members. I did not have to pay any duty or anything like that, so thank God, because if not, this would have made it so expensive. Opening it up, alright. So first things first is a magazine that comes in it, and then a card from Light, which is another, I'm assuming teeth alignment thing. I'm skeptical about these because I remember seeing all the stuff about the Smile Door Club. So I'm like, oh, I'd love to do it. I'd love to get my teeth completely perfect, but not right now. So it comes beautifully packaged. It has like this nice tissue on it. So there's a couple items I actually got to pick, and I'm going to make sure I tell you which ones I could customize this time. So one thing first that I got to pick was the Revive Light Therapy. It is the wrinkle treatment by Revive Light Therapy. I heard a couple things about these. I'm not 100% sure about how it's going to work, but I am interested in trying it. I'm going to make sure I look some stuff up too about it to make sure it's suitable for my skin. AG Haircare Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. Ooh, it's cruelty-free, yay. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, yeah. It has like this sweet but fruity, nutty smell, a little bit. It's like a red freezy, you know what I mean? That's what it smells like to me. What products you prefer, and for me, Haircare was one of them. Beauty, different types of beauties, a couple of lifestyle things, but yeah. So next we had the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It's a lotion. So I'm assuming this is for your body. It does not seem like it's going to be for your face, because they would have skincare right now all over that. Like, if this could work well for my legs have like a lot of spider veins on them, so like I'm down for anything. It has a very natural smell. I'm going to actually total up everything at the very end to see what the value of this box is. The Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. I actually do not have a detangling brush at this point. I have just a basic standard brush, but I don't have a detangling one, so that's good because my hair is always naughty. Silicone straws, and they have a brush cleaner and a plastic case. Oh, that's so cute. That's a little case for it. Oh yeah, I like these. I like that. Get them cleaned and then I'll use them, and I think that these will work great. I'm all about, you know, reusing items and stuff. I hate one-use things. So yeah. Then we have a necklace from Amber Sceats. I think this is one of the items I picked out. Necklace, I think it is. So it makes me think that this is a gold, like a plated one. It's not actually a, like, made from something that will stay its true tone. Feels nice quality though. It's super cute. Like, I dig it. Next we have the Winky Luxe Rainbow Balm. This is a pH matching technology. Okay, it's like 3-toned. Like, that's weird. It's a pineapple flavor. I currently have something on my lips, so I'm not gonna apply any right now, but I think it'll be a nice shade. Like, it just has like a little bit of a tint to it. Not too. There's like no smell. A hint of pineapple. So for the last item, you got to pick like these travel bags, like what style you wanted. I just picked the white and like peachy toned. Yeah, they're just basic travel bags from what seems like there's 3 sizes in here. Yeah, 3-piece. So it's actually a lot larger than I thought. You definitely can't put this in purse unless you're carrying around a big purse, and I usually don't. But I think it'd be great for traveling this size, and it could hold all my makeup that I'm taking with me, or even use the medium size and use that for my hair care, makeup, and everything to keep it just in one good area without it moving around everywhere, because I don't have travel makeup bags. I literally don't. I use like 15 small ones sometimes when I travel. Alright, so I just totaled up everything that was in the box, and yeah, some of these items are a little more expensive than I thought they were. Like the necklace is $50. I did not think it was going to be that expensive, so maybe it's really good quality, but you do have to be really cautious when you're wearing it. The brush was also $35. I don't think I would ever spend $35 on a hairbrush. Wow. I've spent $80 Canadian, $50, it'd be $55 US. So I totaled up all the items. The items came to $290 with no taxes or any shipping, US dollars. So $290 US dollars for all the items inside the box. Now converting that over to Canadian, that equals $407 Canadian. That is crazy. So taking that 407 and taking the $80 I spent, so that equals an 80% savings. That's quite a bit. Takeaway from this whole box is that it's exciting to get. I received 8 items in this box, and you typically receive, they say, from 8 to 10 items, and then you can add on items from there. So receiving 8 items is still pretty good for $80. I have to say I got a pretty great deal. The only negatives I have about this box is that, again, it cost me $8 Canadian when it's advertised as $50, but differences of living in countries, but maybe someday they'll create a standard price for different countries. Negative things I have about this is that I was expecting more maybe makeup in it based on the preferences I stated, but I guess it all depends what they do have within their warehouse. So getting all these items is fabulous. I can't say anything about that. I just wish that there was possibly a little bit more makeup in it and things that were customized towards me based on the information I gave within the survey. Again, I was late to ordering this box, so it can always be different. Hair mask, I love different hair masks, considering I tried one that was literally just Irish soap conditioner, pretty much. Overall, I think it's a pretty neat idea and box. I might order another one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna order the summer one because that one is coming up May 15th, but I might order the fall one whenever that one comes out, which will probably be in August. They'll have their date set to order. I used to get Ipsy all the time. I got Ipsy for a year and a half or so. Like, it was quite some time. Then I finally stopped it because I was like, I don't need to keep getting all these different items. But maybe again, I might order it, or even a BoxyCharm. But instead of the BoxyCharm, I chose this instead because I was like, it's so fun. But the BoxyCharm also seems fun because you get it once a month. What's your preference? What's your favorite subscription box? Should I be trying a different one? Let me know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!